ready to visit, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn notifications on, and give us a thumbs up. That's how you support our channel. If you're already a subscriber, I appreciate your support. Continue watching our video, share and like, and leave a comment if you want. Join me here. I'm in Shoreview. I'm gonna be driving to Roseville and then St. Paul. So it's not a long drive. It's evening. It's winter. You can see outside it's snow, but roads are clean because of course we didn't have any snow today. And they do a very good job in Minnesota cleaning the roads, especially the highways or the main streets. Alright, join me here.